Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Choice Watch 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So let's get started. So to pair the devices together, we first need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the welcome message on the screen. And then you can release it and wait until the watch is done booting up. Now we can go to the phone we want to pair our watch with, and we need to download and install the Honor Health application. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search on the search bar and type in Honor Health. And on the list of results you should see this application, Honor Health, with this icon. Install it. And now we can go to our watch, and if you see the list of languages, scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And you will see the QR code, which means the watch is ready to be paired with a phone. Now we can tap on open to open the app, next, agree. And once you're in the app, tap on device, add device. It will tell you to log in into Honor ID account. If you don't have one, you can make a new one by tapping on register right here and then use it. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you can again tap on add device, allow the required permissions, tap on add device again. It will start scanning, and it should detect your watch. If it doesn't, you can always tap on scan code to add, allow the required permissions. It will then tell you to scan the QR code from your watch. So basically you need to point the phone's camera on the watch, and once you scan the code, it will start pairing the devices. But if it detects your watch normally, and it appears right here on the list, you can simply tap on it, tap on agree, and will start pairing as well. So you can choose any option you like, basically. I'm gonna tap on pair, check mark, then get started. Here we can select the preferred wrist, and then we need to set up the lock screen. For some reason, it doesn't let you to skip this. It's mandatory, which is very annoying, but we can enable it. Set up our lock screen password, like this. And the watch should be ready to use. Now let's go to the app. Here you can check the boxes to enable the auto updates. If you don't care, you can uncheck them. Tap on complete. And in the app also you will be able to enable the notifications for your watch. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow some permissions and enable the notifications. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel. I'm gonna enable it for the sake of the video. So basically it will bring you to this page. And here we need to allow the notification access, or allow the notification access, I believe it's called, for the Honor Health application. So what you need to do is to find the Honor Health application on the list, and then allow notification access by tapping on the switch, tapping on allow. And once you allow it, you can go back, allow rest of the permissions, like this. And now you should see the notification page, and here you can turn on and off the notifications for specific applications. And once you're done customizing, you can go back, and you should see the device page for your app. And here we have our watch. And if you go to your watch, it should be ready to use. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.